the black-tailed prairie dog. They live in extensive colonies. In May, their 6-week-old pups take their first steps above ground. Grasses and other prairie plants provide all the food. The bull snake. This powerful constrictor could easily suffocate an adult prairie dog. But it's pups he's after. And they're hiding somewhere in their burrow. The snakes found nothing down this hole, so he's on to the next. He stands to warn others where the snake is. Repeated strikes may just drive it away.